My haircut's not until 6:40.
I thought it was for your sister you were making the...
I'll be at your sister's house after I got my haircut.
I mean, is there a point of me taking it off now? Yeah. Not really.
Oh!
What?
Equinox, bro.
Equinox, bro.
Equinox.
Ow, ow. What's coming in? So the Urus is in today for something really special. We actually Clearbra this Urus not too long ago. The whole entire thing is Clearbra. The reason why it's back now is because we actually got it a Vorsteiner carbon fiber hood. That's not in yet. Clearbraing that as well and then installing it. But for now, the car is just gonna sit until that time comes. We actually did a review on this car maybe last year when we got it. So if you guys want to check that out, it's in our channel right now.
I was the vlogger for it. I hated it.
Ooh, okay. So we have a Panamera GTS in. We're doing tint on it. Dude, the headlights are freaking crazy looking. Whoa, the interior is so nice. Whoa, this is so cool. I haven't seen a screen behind a seat in so long. It kind of sticks out, but it is really clean at the same time.
You're like 6 years old and it's hard for you to reach the screen.
You can pull it off? No! That is so cool. Wow, I wonder how much this upgrade is. You can even see
The revs, how fast you're going. Dad, you're going too fast. No, I'm not, son. You can't see it from back. Oh. Okay, they got the Google Play Store.
I see YouTube. Where's Netflix?
It's pretty cool. It's really responsive.
So we're continuing the Lexus Chrome Delete. We're going to be working on the bottom trim here. The rails, once we lower this thing. We're almost done. Very cool. Almost done. Oh. Did you watch the halftime show?
Shakira, Shakira.
Stop vlogging and let's go!
All the way up and down. Closer, closer, closer. Yeah.
Go back?
Go back, start going back now. Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Back to the middle. You're good. You have enough now? Yeah, beat all that. Beat all that.
Dude, that's crazy.
So now it's actually gonna heat and just shrink.
Hey, who is that? Hey.
Oh, me?
Yeah, Will?
Head.
Why do you have that on your bro?
Felt like a proper placement.
So when we burn the film like that, what we're doing is we're destroying the memory of it, so it stays in the place that's in right now, and it doesn't want to shrink back. Alright, so we have a curb rash on the wheel right here. It's not too bad, but it is obviously silver and the wheel is black, so it's a little bit more obvious. So we're going to try to do a quick touch-up.
Where does the wee roller tape go? Can never be too safe when mask tape. This is how we get precision multicolor finishes on wheels. Only available on Alibaba. I like being extra safe. $2 wheel repair. Let finish dry. 2 or 3 minutes. Take too long. Way too long. You smell burn? Can you smell the burn? Come. Waft. The more paint, the more coat at once. What? Let dry, 1 more coat, done. $2 wheel repair.
Normally I see this position that Sean takes whenever he gets a text from Raul. I don't know what he's talking to him about, but... Oh god, zoom out. No, you can't. You can't see me.
You're right there.
Oh.
Saw that?
I saw you looking at his butt. Bro was gonna hear about this. Best believe.
Hell yeah!
Alright, so you have the bottom piece done here. I see that. Now you're moving the top part. Oh, how's the railing coming along?
I'm asking him off right now.
Shut up, fool. Let me talk.
So we're doing something a little bit different with the railings. Instead of wrapping it, we're actually gonna be plastic dipping it. It's still gonna look really clean. It's still gonna look really good.
Yo. We're dipping the railings, right?
Raul's been spending so much time making a
Well, we're dipping the railings, right? We're dipping the railings, right? So what do you...
Sit all the way around, right?
Yeah, just the white. The white on the roof just needs to be covered. The railings are gonna be black. So why are you putting the tape?
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Am I looking at the reflection?
Yes.
Wow, the railings have that good of reflection? But hey, come here.
Oh, I see.
Right? Doesn't it?
Oh, I see what you're
That's
saying.
crazy. I didn't know that it was that reflective.
You so stupid.
Hey man, see, I believed in you the whole time.
I know you did.
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Sucking. You're the one sucking his dick at night. What are you talking about?
No, that was a joke.
So we're done with the bottom lip spoiler. So the top portion is wrapped and this bottom portion is wrapped too, as you guys can see. So it looks good. It's not so in your face anymore. I like it. Raul, he was cheating on you earlier. He was looking at Jonathan's butt the whole time.
You want your first coat to be your thickest coat. Tip of the day.
Plastic dip is really easy to get started in doing because a lot of people just do it in their own garage. However, there's actually a very specific way you're supposed to do it to try to get as smooth of a surface as possible. Otherwise, it looks really rough, really textury, and there's a lot of contaminants in it like dust specks and things like that. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Hit us up. We want to work in a car. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for a newest video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
What are you doing? I'm trying to talk to you.
Talk to you with the towel?
What?